Hello friends, welcome to Dilba's Special Kitchen. Today in our kitchen I am going to prepare 10 types of bhajis. Before getting into the kitchen, I would like to request all my friends to subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the notifications immediately. So now come on, let's get into the kitchen. First we have to prepare the batter. For that, in an empty bowl add 1 full cup of gram flour and half a cup of rice flour. It is optional, you can also use corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of maida. Even maida is an optional. Quarter tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of ajwain, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix everything and add water little by little to bring it to a smooth batter. Add salt as per taste and quarter tablespoon of asafoetida powder and bring it to a smooth batter like this. So now I'm going to prepare cauliflower bhaji. For that, I'm going to boil this before making the bhajis. I have taken a vessel in which I have added water and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and rinse the cauliflower florets and drop it in the boiling water. This is done to remove any insects if any. Now the cauliflower is half cooked. This is the right consistency to make bhaji out of it. So I have taken a pan, add enough oil for deep frying, coat each floret with the batter and then drop them in the hot oil. Fry the florets until they are golden and crispy. Cauliflower bhaji is ready. Next I'm going to prepare bitter gourd bhaji. So for that, again in the same boiling water, you can add the sliced bitter gourd and boil until it is half cooked. I never thought my son would like this bitter gourd bhaji, but friends, please note he loved to have this. So please prepare for your children, and it is really good for health. Now the bitter gourd is cooked well. Now I'm going to drop it in the batter and put it in the hot oil and fry until golden and crispy. Yummy, tasty bitter gourd bhaji is ready. Next is another interesting bhaji. It is the ajwain leaf bhaji. In Tamil it is called as karpuravalli. It is really good for health. It has many medicinal properties. It is an excellent cure for cough and cold. Wash the leaves twice or thrice and wipe the excess water. Now dip the herbal leaf one by one and drop it in the hot oil. Now it will puff up immediately, so flip another side and cook for few seconds. Take out the bhajis when they turn nice golden brown. Ajwain leaf bhaji is ready. Next I'm going to prepare mushroom bhaji. First we have to clean the mushroom. So peel off the outer skin of mushroom and rinse well in the tap water and then cut into quarters. Now dip the sliced mushroom into the batter and drop it in the hot oil. Fry until the mushroom is golden and crispy. Mushroom bhaji is ready. Next is the another different bhaji. It is with carrot. Peel and wash the carrot thoroughly with water. Cut them into thin slices so that children will be very interested and eager to have this carrot bhaji. Again, dip the thin sliced carrots into the batter and drop it in the hot oil. Fry until they are crispy and golden in color. I'm sure everyone in the house will ask for this bhaji again and again. Next is another interesting bhaji is with banana, that is raw banana. Peel and slice the raw banana and put them in the water. When the oil is hot, just take the slice of the raw banana, dip it in the batter and put it in the hot oil. Fry until they are crispy and golden in color. Raw banana bhaji is ready. Next I'm going to prepare with potato, that is potato bhaji. Same like raw banana, peel the potato and slice them and put it in the water. Now take a slice of the potato and dip it in the batter and drop them in the hot oil. Fry the potato bhaji until they are crispy and golden in color. Now our tasty potato bhaji is ready. Next is the everyone's favorite mirchi bhaji. Wash the mirchi thoroughly and cut it into 4 pieces. I sliced it thin so that my son, he loves to have it like that. You can also cut in the middle of the mirchi and drop it full into the batter and make it as a bhaji. Now I'm going to dip the thin sliced mirchi into the batter and drop it in the hot oil. Again, fry them until they are crispy and golden in color. Mirchi bhaji is ready. Next is the everyone's favorite onion bhaji. Peel and slice the onions and keep it aside. You can also separate the onion slices into rings and make it as a onion rings. Again, take a slice of onion and drop it in the batter and put it in the hot oil. Fry this tasty onion bhaji until they are crispy and golden in color. Wow, onion bhaji is ready. The last bhaji recipe is with the bread slices. Trim the edges of the bread slices and cut them diagonally to look in a triangle in shape. Dip each triangle piece of bread slice on both the sides and drop it in the hot oil. Fry them until they are crispy and golden in color. Tasty bread bhaji is ready. Serve these bhajis with hot tea, which will be so refreshing, and enjoy your evening snacks. Friends, if you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.